Hello, hello. Today from Kubu. Looks like it is a lot of divers today. I didn't expect really. So yeah. So we're gonna do here 2 dives, Bogarak, and then we're gonna do also here the navigation into the garden. The waves here are also big, but it doesn't feel that bad, so that's why simply we'll just go in. All right, see you later. Something really interesting. So we are planning to go for the night dive. No one has actually informed us. I understand we have to fix the road. So because during the rain season there is a lot of water going, so they want to make like a bridge. And I was like happy to hear it, but then accidentally they just started making that one and without informing any people, and this is the only road in Amed, so which is connecting all the beaches, absolutely all the beaches. They just simply excavating it, no problem, right? But the people cannot get home now. It's like, we will open it tomorrow. Are you serious? That's really interesting. And now what people actually doing, they going home, they crossing everything, and just trying to get home. It is no... Hi. What do you think about this? Interesting, right? So now the only option is like the only option is to find another motorbike on the other side. So then they bring the people there. So they bring the people from that side, and then
On new road, Martin.
huh?
Good access.
What?
On new road.
Yeah, but they didn't inform anyone, right?
Yeah.
They just started digging it.
Yeah.
So now everyone who is living on the other side, they cannot get home.
Yeah. Just motorcycle here. And then walk to home.
Another option is for everyone who's living in a Bunutan, go to Lempuyan. So that means it's like, I don't know, it's like you have to take a detour about 20 plus kilometers, and then you somehow can get home. Problem solved. Our driver found another motorbike on the other side. We'll pick up Marika and then we go for the night dive. Welcome to Amed Republic. You crossed the border. Alright, long diving day is over. 3 dives today. Now I'm going home. We'll edit this video. You will see it tomorrow morning. Thank you very much for watching me. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.